Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Depending on the meal or when we're entertaining, often we use all the burners on the stove. This doesn't leave any space if we want to cook a dessert. So this is when the slow cooker comes in handy. After dusting it off, you can make a delicious classic sweet dish like this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my slow cooker rice pudding. Creamy, tasty, and so easy to make. This is one of those recipes you have to add to your folder. It can be served warm or cold with ground cinnamon and maple syrup. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, we'll grease the ceramic pot generously with butter, making sure to coat the sides as well. This will prevent the rice from sticking. To this, we'll add short grain rice. Here, I'm using a Bonjour. Then, milk, either 1 or 2%, followed by a can of evaporated milk, heavy cream, and ground sea salt. We'll give a good stir to combine the ingredients before closing the lid. We'll set the temperature to high and the time for 2 hours. A couple hours later, when the time is up, we'll add vanilla sugar, which you can find how to make by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, and pure vanilla extract. We'll stir very well, close the lid, and reset the temperature, but this time on low for only 1 hour. 60 minutes later, we'll have a nice creamy dessert ready to enjoy. Now, if you like yours cold, transfer to a bowl, let it cool off for about 20 minutes before covering and transferring to the fridge. And my friends, this is our slow cooker rice pudding. Smooth, creamy, and delectable, this is a lovely dessert to make. The beauty of using the slow cooker is you don't have to watch it all the time, making it a great recipe when you have other things to do. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!